Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So as you can see, when I'm saying the Hey Google, OK Google, this feature is turned on, and just to turn it off, we should launch the Google application. And after that, click on the right upper corner, then go into the settings and tap to the voice section. After that, click to the voice match, and to turn off Hey Google, we should only click once on the switcher, then tap to OK, and that's it. And now when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, you can see that this feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.